Our new topic is simple interest. So in this class, we will discuss about the question related to the simple interest. Okay, so first of all, before starting to solve the questions, we will discuss about the basic formulas which is used to solve the simple interest questions. So simple interest, SI is equals to PRT divided by 100, where P means it represents the principal amount. R represents rate of interest, कि किस रेट में जो है किसी को किसी ने कोई जो धन है या कोई अमाउंट है उसने उधार दिया है या फिर उसको ब्याज पर दिया है. एंड टी रिप्रेजेंट्स टाइम ड्यूरेशन. ठीक है, कितने टाइम के लिए कितने टाइम के लिए कोई भी अमाउंट या प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट किसी को दिया गया है. सो SI या simple interest is equals to PRT, principal amount into rate of interest into time and divided by 100. Clear? Now, if you find out if you want to find out the rate of interest, then you can formulate rate of interest R is equals to 100 into simple interest, 100 multiply simple interest and divided by P into T, that is principal amount into time. Similarly, if you want to find out the time duration of interest, so time is equals to 100 into simple interest and divided by P into R, principal amount into rate of interest. And similarly, if you want to find out the principal amount, PA is equals to 100 into simple interest and divided by R into T, rate of interest into time duration. Okay, so these are the basic formulas which is used to find out the solution of simple interest. Some other formulas which is used in this topic is like compound amount. If you want to find out the compound amount, it is also called the mixed amount. हिंदी में इसको मिश्र धन बोलते हैं. ठीक है, मिक्स्ड अमाउंट और कंपाउंड अमाउंट इज इक्वल्स टू प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट प्लस सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. This is the formula to find out the compound amount or mixed amount. You can say that the final amount. Okay, so compound amount, mixed amount, final amount is the same. So equals to principal amount plus simple interest, that is called compound amount or mixed amount. Okay, now the first question. Okay, the first question is find the simple interest on 7,200 rupees 4% per annum for 8 months. ओके, हमारे पास 7200 रुपया है, 7200 है, उस पर 4% के एनुअल जो इंटरेस्ट है, रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, उसके लिए 8 मंथ के लिए हमें कैलकुलेट करना है सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. सो simple interest is equals to PRT and divided by 100. So just put down the values of PRT. P means the principal amount which is given to the another person as a principal amount or as a or to simple interest with the simple interest. So 7,200 is the principal amount. Multiply rate of interest. So what is the rate of interest? 4% is the rate of interest per annum. That means annual rate of interest. So 4 into time duration. So 8 months के लिए जो है दिया गया है, but we have to convert this into the annual. So that's why you can convert into the year. That means 8 divided by 12. If you want to convert month into year, so just divided by 12. Okay, 1 year में 12 month होता है, so that's why 8 divided by 12 is a year. Now multiply 8 divided by 12 and whole divided by 100. Now you can calculate 100, 0, 0 cancel, and 4 1 ja and 4 3 ja. So 72 into 8 divided by 3. Now 1 ja, 2 ja, 4 into 8. कितना हो रहा है? 24 into 8. इतना ही है ना कि और कुछ है? 192 rupees. So this is the SI simple interest 192 rupees. ओके ये 3 होगा ना, 3 होगा. ओके 23 into 8 होगा 184 rupees. 3 1 जा and 3 2 जा 6, 1 बचा and ओके 3 4 जा. करेक्ट है यार, 192 रुपीज करेक्ट है. सो दिस इज द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. 7392 ये सब कहां से आया यार? 2394 कैलकुलेट करना है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है. So basically in this topic the calculation is most important thing. If you do any wrong calculation, then you will we will got the wrong answer. So be careful to calculate the simple interest formulation. Okay, 192 rupees is the simple interest for this principal amount. Okay, I added to principal. Okay, if there is ask any compound amount, then you can just add the simple interest into the principal amount, then you can find out the compound amount. Okay, but in this case we have to find out only the what is the simple interest. Now let's move on to the another example. Find the simple interest on 1250 rupees at 5% per annum for 219 days. Okay, in this problem we have the time in the form of days, so that's why you just convert these days into the year form, so that you can calculate easily simple interest, which is equivalent to the PRT divided by 100. Now we have the principal interest, that is 1250 rupees, and the rate of interest is the 5% per annum. Multiply time duration, so 219 days. Now if you want to convert into the year form, so that's why you have to divide it by 365 days. Approximately value you can use the 365 days. So 219 divided by 365 days and whole divided by 100. Okay, so it will be 3 divided by 5. Okay, now 1250 into 5 into 3 divided by 5 and whole divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel, 5 1 ja and 5 2 ja. You can go to the another step, 125 into 3 and divided by 10. 5 2 ja and 2 5. So 25 into 3, that means 75 rupees. 75 divided by 2 ना, so 75 का हाफ कितना हो जाएगा? 337.5. Okay, so the simple interest for this principal amount 1250 is the 37.5 rupees. 37.5 rupees is the simple interest for the 1250 rupees at 5% per annum rate of interest for 219 days. 219 दिनों के लिए 1250 रुपया का जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट बनेगा वो बनेगा 37.5 रुपीस. ठीक है. We have the similar kind of the question. Basically the difference is only the form of time, that is in the form of days. So the main purpose to convert this year is to calculate the problems. Okay, so that's why you can use the you can convert this 219 days into the year form, and for that we can just divide 365 days. अगर हमें मंथ को कन्वर्ट करना है ईयर में, so just divided by 12, and if you want to convert days into year, then you can just divide it by 365 days. Okay, so the principal amount is the 1250 rupees and rate of interest is the 5 rupees and time is the 219 days. That will be in days form, so you have to convert into year. So 219 divided by 365 days. अब इसको आप जो है अपने हिसाब से इसको कैलकुलेट करके इजिली कर सकते हो या सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो, बट द ओवरऑल द लास्ट टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज 3 divided by 5 days, 3 divided by 5 year. Basically 3 divided by 5 is the year. So divided by, whole divided by 100, and just calculate this problem and you can solve, you can find out the simple interest. Okay, so हमने क्या किया, एक जीरो यहां से कैंसल आउट किया. We have 125 into 5 into 3 divided by 5. Okay, so 125. Okay, 5 divided 5 1 जा and 5 2 जा 10, तो यहां से भी ये कैंसल हो गया. So in last step you have we have the 125 rupees into 3 divided by 10. So 10, 5 2 ja 10 and 2 and 25. So 25 into 3, 75, and divided by 2, and 75 divided by 2 is the 37.5. That is the rupees, which is simple interest. Okay, so simple interest of 1250 rupees at 5% annual rate of interest is 37.5 rupees. Is that clear? Now another question is find the simple interest on 5600. Okay, find the simple interest on 5600 from 4th April 2005 to 16th June 2005 at 5% per annum. So the 5% per annum is the basically rate of interest, right? And principal amount is the 5600 rupees. So principal amount is the 5600 rupees. Rate of interest is the 5%, and the time is, so basically the main challenge to calculate the total time. So we have the 4th April, from 4th April 2005 to the 16th June 2005. So 4th April means अब जो है अप्रैल में remaining days count करना है. So we have already on the 4th April, so remaining days in the April month is 26 days. Okay, क्योंकि अप्रैल में कितने दिन होते हैं, हाउ मेनी डेज इन द अप्रैल इज द 30 days. So remaining days in the April is the 26 days. Now plus let's move to the May month, and May is the 31 days, and plus 16th June, that means you can go to the 16 days on June. So just add these days, that will be 73 na, 31 and 73 days. So time is the 73 days. Just convert this 73 days divided by 365 into as a year form. Okay. So 1 divided by 5 year is the time duration. Now just calculate the simple use the simple interest formula, and 5600 is the principal amount into 5 is the 5% is the rate of interest, and 1 divided 5 is the total time duration, and whole divided by 100. So 100 cancel, 5 cancel, we have just 56 rupees as a simple interest. Now the simple interest for the 5600 rupees is 56 rupees. Okay, Shankar Singh, correct. 56 is the simple interest for 5600 rupees for 73 days. Okay, at the 5% annual rate of interest, sorry. Okay, another question is what will be the simple interest on 1820 rupees from 9th March 2005 to 21st May 2005 at the rate of 7 into 1 divided by 2% per annum. Okay, हमें अगेन जो है हमारे पास डेज है वो काउंट करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम 9th March 2005 to the 21st May 2005. And the main twist is the rate of interest, that is in the form of 7 mixed fraction form, that is 7 into 1 divided by 2. So principal amount is the 1820 rupees. 1820 rupees. Now the rate of interest is the 7 into 1 divided by 2% rate of interest. So just calculate, simplify into the simple fraction, that is 14 and 15 divided by 2. So basically this is the rate of interest, 15 divided by 2, or you can say that the 7.5% rate of interest. Now what is the time duration? calculate the calculate from 9th March to the 21st May 2005. So 9th March, that means the remaining days on March is the because we have 31 days in March, so that's why 21 to 30, 22 days in March. Now the April month is again the 30 days, April, and May. So May के लिए 21 days. Now just add this number 3 and 5 and 7, 73 days again. Now it's simple, just 365 and 1 divided by 5 is the again the time duration, 1 divided by 5 year. So put down the values. 1820 multiply 15 divided by 2 and multiply 1 divided by 5. So remember, always used in the form of fraction form because it's easy to cancel out. Because if you use the decimal form, then it's a little bit complicated, no? So that's why you can use you should use in the form of fractional. Okay, now whole divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel out, and 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. So we have 122 into 3 divided by 10. So just multiply 182 into 3. So it will be 6 and 24 ka 4 and 1 ja and 4 to 5. Acha 2 to 5. Okay, divided by 10. So it will be 10 है ना. So अच्छा 20 हो जाएगा ना, ये 2 इधर आ जाएगा तो ये 20 हो जाएगा. ओके, ये नीचे जो 2 बचा हुआ है वो नीचे आ जाएगा और 20 हो जाएगा. सो यहां से ये तो 54.56 होता अगर 10 होता है, डिवाइडेड बाय 20 है, सो 54 का 27.3. सो इट्स टोटली ऑन यू. यू कैन use the traditional method to divide. So 546 divided by 20 is equals to 27.3% is the simple interest on 1820 rupees. Okay, Vishwajit, 27.3, correct. You can also go with the traditional method, na, like directly 546 and whole divided by 20 करके 20 2 ja 40 and we have 14 is the remainder is 146. So 7 ja 27 ja 140 and remainder is the 6. तो 0.0 and 3 जा तो 60. So ऐसे करके भी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है वो कैसे आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. बट केयरफुल रहना है कैलकुलेशन के टाइम में. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट में जो मेन चैलेंज होता है दैट इज कैलकुलेशन पार्ट. Now the next question is, at what rate of principal interest will the simple interest of at what rate of simple interest will the simple interest of 600 for 10 years become 120 rupees? Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, we have the principal amount is equals to 600 rupees and time is the 10 years. And it will be the simple interest will become the 120 rupees. So already we have the simple interest that is 120 rupees. And now we have find out the what rate, that means rate of interest. We have to find out the rate of interest. So just to use the another formula that is to use to calculate the rate of interest. Rate of interest is equals to 100 into simple interest and whole divided by P into T, that is principal amount into time duration. So 100 into 120 and divided by principal amount, that will be 600 and time duration is the 10 years. So it's simple to calculate these numbers. So 0 0 0 3 0 1 3 3. So 12 divided by 6 1 ja and 2 ja. So 2% is the rate of interest. Okay, correct. Now the next question is, if the amount of sum of money for 3 years at the rate of 6 into 1 divided by 4% per annum at simple interest is 6,650 rupees, then find out that amount. So basically we have to find out the total amount that will be a mixed amount, that is also called compound amount. Okay, so what we already have is the if the amount of sum of money for 3 years, so time duration is the 3 years. Okay, 3 years. Okay, time duration is the 3 years. Now what is the rate of interest? So rate of interest is the 6 into 1 divided by 4%. That means 24 plus 1, that will be 25 divided by 4%. Okay, so this is the rate of interest. Now per annum at simple interest is 665 rupees. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि वो जो टोटल अमाउंट है, सम ऑफ मनी, दैट मीन्स द टोटल मनी, and the total money or total amount, that will be compound amount. In Hindi translation you can see the misra dhan, that is the compound amount. In English translation, basically it use the sum of money, compound amount और total money, इस तरह से terminology used होता है, और directly भी बोल सकता है compound amount करके. So you have to figure out what is the sum of money. So basically sum of money, that means compound amount. Okay, so compound amount is the 6,650 rupees. Now what is the formula of compound to find out the compound amount? What formula you can use to find out the compound amount? That is the compound amount is equals to principal amount plus simple interest, right? So in this case we have already compound amount, that is the 650 rupees. And what is the principal amount? So in this case we do not have already any amount which is principal amount, so you can assume this principal amount as a x. Okay, now what is the simple interest? So basically we have to find out the simple interest by using the traditional formula, which is PRT divided by 100. So PRT divided by 100, we can use the formula PRT divided by 100. So 6,650 rupees is equals to x plus, what is P? Basically P is the principal amount, which is which have already assumed as a x. So x into R. R is the 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4 into time duration. So time duration is the 3 years, and whole divided by 100. Now 6,650 rupees into x plus, you can calculate this, 25 1 ja and 25 4 ja. So x plus 3x and whole divided by 4 and divided by again 4 hai, so 4 into 4, that will be 16. So 3x divided by 16, right? Now x is equals to, so basically it will be just a second, 650. Okay, 16 into 6650 and divided by 19, यही हो जाएगा ना, बिकॉज 16x प्लस 3x डिवाइडेड बाई 16, यही हो रहा है, तो ये 19x हो जाएगा, 19x डिवाइडेड बाई 16. ओके, इसको मैं क्लियर कट लिख देता हूं ताकि कंफ्यूजन ना हो. 6650 is equals to x plus 3x divided by 16. Now 6650 is equals to 16x plus 3x divided by 16. So 19x divided by 16. Now x is equals to 16 into 6,065, 6,650 rupees and divided by 19. Clear? So just multiply 16 into 6650 and it will be 16 0 and 5 again 0. So yes, 16 6 का 4, फिर 16 106. So divided by 19. So we have the numbers 106,400 and divided by 19. So आपको ट्रेडिशनल मेथड फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. क्या हो जाएगा? 106,400 and divided by 19 करना पड़ेगा. So 19 फिफ्जा कितना होता है? 95 होता है. ठीक है. So 95 106 कितना बच जाएगा? 5 और 6. So it will be 11 4 यहाँ पे 19 6 जा कितना हो जाएगा 114, सो ये तो कैंसल आउट हो गया, बच्चा क्या 0 0, सो यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली 0 0। तो 5600 रुपीज इज द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट। Okay, so what was the question? Question is basically what is the find the that amount. So basically that amount means it's a principal amounts, that is 5600। अदरवाइज यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 6650 प्लस इज इक्वल्स टू x, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट, प्लस PRT, जस्ट पुट डाउन द वैल्यूज ऑफ PRT, P इज द x, R इज द 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 इंटू 3। सो इसको जस्ट आपको कैंसल आउट करना है, 25 एंड 1 जा एंड 400। अच्छा, डिवाइड बाई 19 बोल रहे हैं ना, तो ये तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है यार। सो दिस इज द बेसिकली ट्रेडिशनल मेथड which you used to solve the division to divide any numbers in school. So basically just 19 106,400 divided by 19, so 19 fifth ja 95 hoga, so the remainder will be 11। now just carry out the 4, so now again 19 6 ja, that will be 114। okay, so 114 cancel, we have just 0 0, so 19 0 0 0 and again 0 bachega, so 19 0, so 5600 is the our answer of 106400 divided by 19।
To watch the complete video, download Mining Gyan 2.0 app from the Play Store and enjoy seamless learning with Mining Gyan 2.0।